Crank-powered flashlight and charger, great for emergency kits or outdoor adventures. The hand-powered Clipray makes sure you've always got light and power for your smartphone, no batteries needed. Easy to use and portable, crank for 1 minute to produce enough power for 10 minutes of light, or use it to charge your smartphone or other device. A sturdy carabiner clip makes it easy to take anywhere. Stay safe and have fun. As a proud partner of the American Red Cross, we are committed to your safety. For over 30 years, we've been dedicated to creating award-winning, innovative products for entertainment and emergency preparedness. Keep connected, from world band and weather alert radios, to solar-powered sound systems and connected home products, we'll keep you connected and in the know at home, in the office, on the road or in the great outdoors. Eton's commitment to preparedness. We're committed to helping you be prepared for everyday fun and unexpected emergencies, whether you're out on a 10-day backpacking trip, or just barbecuing in the backyard. Top reviews from the United States. Works in an emergency. I keep this in my work backpack just in case. Pretty solid and doesn't take much to run the flashlight. Can't really go wrong with Eton.